Hey, so what's up guys? So today I'm going to unbox and review this inflatable paddle board by X-Power. Let's get to it. Alright, so the box is open. Comes with a warranty card, inflatable paddle board, safety instructions. So, looks like you're going to roll it completely out, start with 0 PSI, and then with the pump, 5 PSI to shape it, 7 to 10 PSI, 6 to 10 minutes, and then 15 minutes to get it up to 15 PSI. Cool. It's like a little carrying case. Pump. A paddle. It's got a carrying strap. Fin. Leash. And then the paddleboard itself. Wow, big old paddleboard. So here is the inflator. This surface here is definitely grippy. It's got a nice little handle here. Soft. Another handle here. Got some straps. Let's check out the bottom. Nice. Got a graphic on it. So this is where you'll connect on both sides. You can see here, 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 and here. That's where you connect the carrying strap. So to inflate, it says turn valve pin. I'm assuming it's this thing up. And to deflate, turn it down. There we go. All right, so let's give this pump a whirl. So it's got a pressure gauge on it. This end's gonna suck, this end's gonna push. So I'll connect here, the hose to this side. And then pump it up. Check this out. It's got a seal on here. Nice rubber seal. Nice clips. So let's give it a whirl. To connect it, just simply put it in and give it a turn. There we go. The insertion's probably a quarter turn after you insert it. So now, let's pump it up. There we have it. So that wasn't bad. So here is your paddle. You're just going to insert there and then use this. Very nice. And then slide it in. There you go. And then it's got the markings so you can tell how long your paddle's going to be. So it's centimeters and inches. So it ranges from 67 to 82 inches. Also comes with a tool and a patch kit. Tool patch kit, and then in here is a dry bag. So that's nice. You got a dry bag to keep your stuff dry, and then you can put it up there in the, secure it up there. So very cool. So right off the bat, this feels real nice. It's grippy. It's kind of made out of the same material if you're familiar with like a Zodiac boat. I'd call it that same kind of material. A nice handle here. Feels very, very nice. Let's see, to lift it, 20 pounds, 25 pounds. It's not heavy, not that heavy. And it has this really nice strap. So if you're gonna take it, you know, you get it inflated, say at your car or whatever, and you wanna take it down to the water, you just pop this bad boy on, and then you can carry it, you know, over your shoulder, like such, you know, and it's real easy to deal with. You know, you're walking it like this, and you know, it's makes it really easy to have to move around and maneuver. All right, so in order to put the fin in, put the front track in, like that. And then we'll just slide this in and tighten it up. There you go. And then you can move it too. So after you have the fin in, you can slide it forward or backwards. So, all right, and to take this off, just unscrew it. There you go. And just slide this out. And then remember to pop this bad boy out so you don't lose it. And this has a nice little rubber bushing on it, so it provides friction on there when it's in the water, so you don't lose your fin. Okay, now we're gonna deflate it. Come over here, undo this, and then turn it counterclockwise. And you can obviously pump it empty, but and then to pump it empty, all you do is connect this thing, and then we'll turn the hose around on the other side. Go like this. Change this around, and then it should get all the air out. There it is. And just disconnect. There you go. And spin this out. There we go. And put the cap back on. Like that. Now it keeps it all compressed. Now let's fold this thing up. There we go. This maybe. Let some of that last minute air out. Perfect, nice and small. And there it is. Tiny. Ready to go right in the bag. Just tuck her in. So there you have it. There's my unboxing and review of the X-Power stand-up paddleboard. I hope my review was helpful. Hope I answered some of your questions. I really appreciate you taking the time to watch. If you would, hit the subscribe button, like, and the notification bell so you get some updates when I post. All right, thank you very much.